right, well, let's take a look at some of the individual movers of the day. And first up, taking a look at SoFi and where that stock closed off the highs of the day, but up nearly 20%. The company popping on second quarter earnings, reporting strong deposits, raising its full year guidance. The company adding 584,000 members during the second quarter here, raising that revenue guidance. They now see adjusted net revenue of $1.97 billion to just about $2 billion here. And we're seeing the excitement in shares today.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, my gosh. This was off to the races. I mean, right from the opening bell for this company. I mean, and, you know, we had the CEO on our air earlier today attributing that these results came from not just its technology platform, or it came from its technology platform services businesses, and not so much from the lending side of its business, which we know that had been a concern, the exposure there with regard to student loans there, given the repayments pause. But again, that's coming kind of back to the forefront for SoFi, and, you know, investors really liking what they're hearing. I wanted to take a quick check of the year to date. I mean, look, it is up on a one-year basis. What is that? Oh, my gosh. My
150%.
Killing me right now.
148%.
I've been avoiding glasses. It's signs I need them. Yeah, so more than 100% there. So huge move for SoFi on the day and for the year. I want to take a look at another stock that we're watching today, Adobe. That stock ending up more than 3.25%. That's up on an upgrade from Morgan Stanley. It is all about AI there. Once again, that has been like the theme story for the analysts bullish on the company's AI strategy. This is Morgan Stanley raising the price target up to $660 from $510, so that's up 150. Overweight on the stock, and it's certainly been accretive to the stock for the day.
Yeah, it is, and it's actually a street high here when we take a look at that price target. So here's why the team at Morgan Stanley is more bullish when it comes to Adobe, and it's all about AI and some of that clarity that we're getting there. More specifically, just in terms of the monetization roadmap, that's increasing their confidence in reaccelerating the Creative Cloud organic growth engine here moving forward for Adobe. Last month, Adobe increased its full year revenue and profit outlooks, rolling out generative AI features throughout its products here. So Morgan Stanley seeing that as a real driver of growth from here on out. And they see earnings growth returning to the mid or high teens over the next 3 years. And again, we're looking at gains of just about 3% for the day, 62% so far this year.
And to your point, a lot of that in their note about the Creative Cloud reaccelerating revenue growth. They're seeing several opportunities there, monetization opportunities, consumption models, Creative Cloud credit packs. So Morgan Stanley really liking what they're seeing in terms of just the whole integration of generative AI into the business and savings that it can see as a result of that.
Yeah, and they're seeing upside of 25% from current levels. All right, let's also take a look at Nikola. The stock closing the day up just about 17%, still below $3 a share. The EV maker scoring a big trucking deal with J.B. Hunt. The deal including an initial order of 10 battery electric and 3 hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles. First delivery is expected next month. We also had D.A. Davidson lifting its price target on the stock to $3 from $1 a share. They're still neutral. They've been that way for 2 years. We're going to get earnings results from Nikola later this week, get a better picture of a better sense of what exactly the business, the fundamentals look like over the last month. We certainly have seen gains here, but again, the stock's under $3. So move like 40 cents that we saw today, that then translates into a big percentage move.
Exactly. It's going to look like an outsized move. I mean, it is for a stock like that. I mean, but this is huge for Nikola. You know, August is literally tomorrow. So they said they're going to deliver those 10 battery electric, 3 hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles expected next month. They'll be located in areas like LA, Phoenix. So not surprised to see there in terms of West Coast footprint there towards a more kind of low carbon, low emissions footprint.